Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Be the Better You with Sridevi Ravichandran. So the topic we're going to see in this video is how to write your own resume for freshers, part 2. I've already posted a part 1 on this, and in that video we saw what is a resume, why do you need to build your own resume, steps to create your own resume, part 1. And in this video we're going to see its continuation and also the general guidelines of do's and don'ts while writing a resume. So as you can see, I have segregated the steps in writing the resume into 2 parts. That is, the upper part of the resume is part 1. We've already covered the below, like the name, contact information, career objective, educational qualifications, key skills or certifications with a real example. So in part 2, we're going to see about internships, project handled, extracurricular, achievements, personal details. This part is flexible. You can add or remove headings based on your profile, things you have done. So let us start with internships. Here mention the organization you have worked for, your roles and responsibilities, and also the time duration you worked. Use bulletin points. Don't start with I or we. Use action verbs like executed, implemented, handled, etc. Quantify your responsibilities. So let me explain this in detail, with an example. So this is a mock resume. I have mentioned the company name, time duration worked, and roles and responsibilities. Here, instead of writing, I was responsible for preparing reports on daily sales zone-wise. I have used action verbs like evaluated and prepared, daily reports on sales exhibiting zone-wise. Here I have quantified my responsibilities. Instead of writing converted potential leads to sales, I have used converted 500 potential leads to sales, thus bringing a revenue of 1 lakh in a month. So what happened here is I have shown results, my results or achievements in numbers. When you do the same in your resume, this will make your resume crisp and to point, and your resume will stand out from the rest of the candidates. While applying for job, you can customize this by exhibiting the skills that related to the job that you're applying to improve your chance of getting selected for the interview. And next is project handled. Mention the projects handled as given below. I'll show an example again. Mention the project title, company where did you do your research, and the research duration. Mention the findings as well. Next, your achievements. Mention your achievements in academics, sports, volunteering, and other extracurricular activities. And also your personal details. Don't get into too much of your personal details. Your date of birth and language known is enough. So now let's see the general guidelines for formatting, structure, and template of your resume. Okay, design your resume template. There are a lot of templates available online. The problem with many of these templates are customization becomes very difficult. If you type one extra sentence or try adding a heading, then the alignment will be all over the place. So my advice is, instead of using templates that are already available, try creating your own in MS Word using guidelines that I have provided below. So use 1-inch margin on all the sides, 11 to 12 point font size, and 1.15 line spacing. If you are using 11 point as your font size, select 12 point font size for headers and add extra space before and after each heading. Bold the section headings to separate them from the rest. Be consistent in your resume. Follow the same date format. For example, if you have used February 2010, March 2011, don't change it to this format, right? You have used words, right? And you have used numbers here, so please stick with the same format. And please check for spellings and grammatical errors. Don't use short forms or jargons. Don't include your personal information, too much of your personal information. And it is also ideal to keep your resume to 1 page or maximum 2 page, especially if you're a fresher. Please don't go beyond that, and this depends on your template as well. and don't alter the original information. If you're shortlisted, you'll easily get caught either during the interview process or on background check. And also, like, you lose your credibility. Please don't do that. Don't lie in your resume. And the very important step is proofread your resume. You can proofread by yourself or give it to your friends or maybe your teachers or the people that you trust. Get it done. Proofread your resume. And then the next step is to apply and take that first crucial step towards your dream job. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching. I have created a separate video on keywords. I have the link in the description box and also the link how to write resume part 1. Do check them. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more career related videos. Thank you so much.